You already have a child, getting pregnant again should be easy, right? Or what if months or even years pass and it doesn't happen? Hi, I'm Dr. Suachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. This is called as secondary infertility and it's more common than most people realize. Let's understand why it happens. What can you do about it? So, what is secondary infertility? This is defined as the inability to conceive after previously having a child or having conceived and not getting pregnant again. Secondary infertility is defined as the inability to conceive after previously having a child despite trying for at least 1 year. Many couples assume that because they conceived once, it will happen again naturally. But fertility is not static. It changes over time with the age, health, and biology. So, having one child does not guarantee future fertility. It's important to understand the causes of secondary infertility. The causes are often similar to primary infertility, which is that you don't get pregnant at all, but with some additional factors like age related decline. The most common reason is this, especially in women. Egg quality and quantity decline over time, particularly after 35 years. Ovulation problems. Conditions like PCOS or hormonal balance can develop late and affect regular ovulation. Tubal damage or blockage can also be an issue. Infections, previous surgeries, or complications during the first delivery can affect the fallopian tubes. Uterine factors also play an important role in secondary infertility. Fibroids, polyps, or scarring inside the uterus, which is called as Asherman syndrome, can interfere with implantation. Of course, male factor can also be a cause. Sperm quality declines over time according to age, lifestyle, or medical conditions. Lifestyle, most importantly, weight gain, stress, poor sleep, or chronic illness can impact fertility significantly. So, secondary infertility is often a combination of time and changes in health factors. Diagnosis is very important. Evaluation is very similar to any infertility workup but should not be delayed because age is also a very important factor here. For women, ultrasound is performed to assess ovaries and uterus. Hormonal tests like AMH, FSH, thyroid is important. Tubal patency tests like HSG is also very important. For men, semen analysis is very basic. It is done to evaluate sperm count and quality. The key factor is that even if previous pregnancy was normal, both partners must be evaluated again. Treatment depends on underlying causes. Ovulation issues can be treated with medications. Mild male factor or unexplained infertility can be treated with IUI. Tubal blockage or severe male factor or age related decline definitely should be treated with IVF. Lifestyle correction is the most important thing, like weight management, stress control, proper sleep. All these play a very critical, crucial role. Importantly, treatment should be timely and individualized. So, if you're struggling to conceive after your first child, remember you're not alone. This is a medical condition, it's not a failure. The biggest mistake is waiting for too long. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us.